Hello everyone, welcome back to. Today we've got a topic that's crucial for anyone on the job hunt: how to write the perfect CV. Whether you're a recent graduate, changing careers, or just looking to polish up your resume, stick around because we've got some invaluable tips coming your way. First things first, let's talk about the essentials. Your CV is like your personal marketing brochure, so you want to make a great first impression. Start with your contact information, name, phone number, email, and LinkedIn profile. Keep it professional and make sure your email address is straightforward. Next up, your professional summary. This is a snapshot of your career and skills. Be concise, highlight your strengths, and tailor it to the job you're applying for. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of your work experience. List your work experience in reverse chronological order. Focus on achievements, not just responsibilities. Use action verbs and quantify your impact wherever possible. Tailor your CV for each job application. Emphasize the skills and experiences most relevant to the position you're applying for. This shows you've done your homework. Scene script. Moving on to the skills section, a crucial part of any CV. Highlight both hard and soft skills. Hard skills are job-specific, while soft skills showcase your interpersonal abilities. Use a mix of both to paint a well-rounded picture of yourself. Let's not forget education, an essential element for many employers. List your education history with your most recent degree first. Include relevant coursework and academic achievements. If you're a recent graduate, this section takes center stage. Finally, the finishing touches to make your CV stand out. Keep your CV clean and professional. Use a simple font, bullet points, and consistent formatting. A visually appealing CV is more likely to grab attention. Last but not least, proofread. Spelling and grammar mistakes can be a deal breaker. Have someone else review your CV to catch any errors you might have missed. And there you have it, the key ingredients to cook up the perfect CV. Remember, your resume is a living document, so update it regularly. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more career advice.